The M510 and M610 walk-behind auto scrubbers, money-saving technology. The M510 and M610 are MACH's most popular walk-behind auto scrubbers, thanks to a winning combination of productivity, size, and innovation. Designed to be resistant and to satisfy the demanding cleaning market, they are gems of technology that last in time. The machines have a productivity rate of up to 2,440 meters squared per hour and are available in different versions. Each offers a tailored solution for every application and a new way to save money. The M510 and M610 can be equipped with the patented EcoSystem, MACH's flagship technology, which delivers a performance up to 5 times greater than a traditional system. This multi-award-winning system recovers and reuses active cleaning solution, guaranteeing impressive labor, water, and detergent savings. The amount of solution delivered to the ground is regulated in line with forward speed, always ensuring optimum consumption. The M mechanical version evolves from MACH's electronic-free philosophy, which translates into fully mechanical functions with zero electronics, designed for those who believe that certainty comes from the essentials. The result is a machine with minimal components that is therefore simple to use and easy to maintain. The truck version is the next step up, equipped as standard with a package of functions dedicated to the comfort of the operator. Finally, only the M510 is available in the base version, the entry-level model that delivers on performance while keeping an eye on budget. The two machines are distinguishable by their cleaning path and scrub deck, one brush for the M510 and two for the M610. However, both share the same principles, durability, functionality, and safety for the operator. The heavy-duty structure is made in steel and treated by cataphoresis, giving both physical resistance and anti-aging properties, which results in a long lifespan. The body of the machine can be flipped back, fully exposing all the internal parts. This innovative design, developed by MACH, enables practical access for inspection and maintenance. This also benefits the batteries, making maintenance and substitution easy. The onboard battery charger is convenient and simple to use and can be set to charge all types of battery. Finally, MACH offers the chrome version. In this model, the machine's frame and specific components are in stainless steel, a unique solution for cleaning in particularly corrosive environments. The maneuverability of the M510 and M610 make these machines a precise tool in the hands of any operator. The height-adjustable handlebars, comfortable grip, and ergonomic controls permit straightforward operation without causing fatigue. A safety device automatically pushes the machine forward in the case that the operator is at risk from being trapped. The control panel is equipped with simple and intuitive controls. Its key features include regulation of solution flow, EcoSystem activation, and engagement of the brush-o-matic system for quick, hands-free substitution of the brushes. The M510 and M610 deliver high brush pressure and therefore impressive cleaning power. The aluminum brush head is fitted with a self-leveling splash guard that prevents leakage or splashing of dirty water during cleaning. The drying system is made up of a squeegee and a powerful vacuum motor. The parabolic oscillating squeegee is designed to direct water into the center of the cleaning path, ensuring a perfectly dry floor even through 180-degree turns. Adherence to the ground is guaranteed by the weight of the steel squeegee, as well as spring mechanisms and 2 visible knobs that allow tilt and pressure to be set to the floor type. The squeegee blades are in Linatex, the best material on the market, and thanks to its high quality, the blades can be used on all 4 sides. Reversion is easy with a quick release mechanism and no need for tools. The vacuum motor is protected by a patented anti-dust filter made in stainless steel to increase its lifetime. The M510 and M610 are equipped with high-capacity tanks. The solution tank contains fresh water and detergent, while the recovery tank collects dirty water. It could be fully open for inspection and cleaning, ensuring complete tank hygiene. The design of the tank means filling them with water and detergent is a walk in the park, while an adjustable hose fitted with a flexible end enables simple and safe emptying without exposing the operator to dirty water. The M510 and M610 walk-behind auto scrubbers, money-saving technology.